deep within the forests and grasslands of Asia roams a predator that is both fascinating and mysterious. Known as the Dhole alpinus, this wild dog is one of the least understood yet most remarkable carnivores on the continent. With its fiery reddish coat, bushy tail, and piercing eyes, the dhole has long inspired awe and respect in local cultures. Despite being overshadowed by more famous predators like tigers and wolves, the dhole plays a critical role in the ecosystems it inhabits. Sadly, it is also one of the most endangered canids in the world, its survival hanging by a thread in the modern era. The dhole is medium-sized, standing about 50 centimeters tall at the shoulder and weighing between 12 to 20 kilograms. Its appearance is often described as a mix between a wolf and a fox, with a slender body, pointed ears, and a long, thick tail tipped with black. Its reddish-brown fur glows vividly in the sunlight, giving it the nickname Red Dog. Unlike wolves or domestic dogs, the dhole has fewer molars, but it compensates with a highly flexible skull and powerful jaws designed for tearing flesh quickly. What truly sets the dhole apart is its social structure and hunting strategy. These wild dogs are incredibly cooperative hunters, often working in packs of 5 to 12 individuals. Though larger groups of up to 30 have been observed, their teamwork is extraordinary, rivaling that of wolves and African wild dogs. Instead of relying on sheer strength, dholes use stamina and coordination to wear down prey. They can bring down animals much larger than themselves, including deer, wild boar, and even young gaur or water buffalo. Their hunts are intense, fast-paced, and efficient, a display of synchronized movement and communication. Communication among dholes is just as fascinating. They use a wide range of whistles, clucks, and high-pitched calls, unlike the howls of wolves. These vocalizations help maintain pack cohesion during hunts in dense forests. Scientists believe this whistling language may be one of the most complex vocal systems among canids. The sound of a dhole pack in the wild is eerie yet captivating, echoing through valleys and jungles like an ancient song of survival. Dholes once roamed widely across Asia, from Siberia and Korea to India, Southeast Asia, and even parts of the Middle East. Today, their range has shrunk drastically. They are now mostly confined to fragmented habitats in South and Southeast Asia, with strongholds in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, and Myanmar. The reasons for their decline are many: habitat destruction, depletion of prey due to human hunting, competition with tigers and leopards, and diseases transmitted by domestic dogs. As forests are cleared for agriculture and human settlements expand, dholes lose both their homes and their food sources. Currently, the dhole is listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with an estimated global population of fewer than 2,500 mature individuals. In some regions, sightings are so rare that entire generations of local people have grown up without ever seeing this elusive predator. Unlike tigers or elephants, which receive widespread conservation attention, the dhole often remains in the shadows, overlooked. Despite its precarious situation, yet, where they survive, dholes play a crucial role as apex predators. By hunting herbivores, they help regulate prey populations and maintain the balance of ecosystems. Without them, the delicate web of life in Asian forests would begin to unravel. Their importance to biodiversity makes their conservation not just a matter of protecting a single species, but of preserving entire ecosystems. Conservation efforts are underway but face challenges. Protected areas in India, such as Bandhavgarh and Nagarhole national parks, have become refuges for dholes, where ecotourism also raises awareness of their plight. International organizations are working with local communities to reduce conflicts, vaccinate domestic dogs against diseases like rabies and distemper, and protect prey populations. Still, much work remains to secure a stable future for the species. Culturally, dholes hold a mixed reputation. In some parts of India, they are respected as skilled hunters and are even mentioned in ancient folklore. In others, they are feared or misunderstood, sometimes accused of killing livestock, which has led to persecution. Bridging this gap through education is key to fostering coexistence. What makes the dhole so captivating is its combination of beauty, intelligence, and teamwork. To witness a pack of dholes moving silently through the forest is to see unity in motion, an example of how cooperation ensures survival even in the harshest environments. They remind us that strength does not always lie in size or power, but in working together. The story of the dhole is both tragic and hopeful. Tragic because human activity has driven this extraordinary animal to the brink of extinction. Hopeful because, with dedicated conservation efforts, there is still a chance to protect and restore its populations. The dhole's survival depends on how much we value not only charismatic giants like tigers and elephants, but also the quieter, less famous predators that keep ecosystems alive. In the end, the dhole represents resilience and the power of community. It is a symbol of the wild spirit of Asia's forests, reminding us that every species, no matter how overlooked, has a vital role to play. Saving the dhole is not just about protecting a single animal, it is about honoring the intricate and beautiful balance of nature that sustains us all.